everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute crop top. Make a slip knot. I use 6mm hook and cotton yarn. Make one a slip knot and chaining. I made 30 chains in this work like this. I made 35 centimeters of these chains. Skip first chain, go to next chain, insert your hook into second chain, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, make one single crochet. Go to next chain, insert your hook into next chain, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, make one double crochet. Go to next chain, insert your hook, pull up yarn, make one single crochet. Go to next chain, make one double crochet and continue like this. Make one single crochet, one double crochet. Like this, one single crochet, one double crochet in first row. Go to next chain, one single crochet stitch, one double crochet stitch. We have one stitch in every chains. Go to 2 last stitches, one single crochet and one double crochet in last chain. Make a chain, turn the work, go to first stitch, make one single crochet, go to second stitch, make one double crochet, make one single crochet, one double crochet. Start 2 rows with single crochet stitches. Make one single crochet, one double crochet into last stitches. Make a chain, turn it and start with single crochet stitch. Go to first stitch, make one single crochet, go to next stitch, make one double crochet and continue single crochet, double crochet. I made 90 centimeters of this part. Go to last stitch and make this stitch, one single crochet, one double crochet. Join these sides together. Insert your hook into this corner, pull up yarn, take these yarns and a slip stitch. Join 2 sides together with a slip stitch. Hide this yarn under stitches. A slip stitch, a slip stitch and continue like this. Take 2 yarns of this side, 2 yarns of other side. I made sleeves. The sleeves are made like body but in small size. I made sleeves with 18 chains. Join these sides together and make sleeves. In here, join sleeves and body together like this I show.